picked up this rather crusty, waterlogged fan today, and I shouldn't say the fan is waterlogged, because the fan is actually brand new. Older Galaxy by Lasko.
Model 2150S.
And there she is, brand new, never been unboxed. Still has the wrappers inside the cage, I guess, which is kind of weird. Okay, so it looks like the cage is actually not even attached to it, so we actually have to put it together. Look at that. Still in this wrapper here. That out. Look at that. Brand new. Shaft seems nice and loose, and it looks like it's got some sort of lubrication or something. I'm not sure what that is on the threads already. Yeah, a little dirty, but the box has been opened, but the actual fan hasn't been apart, or yeah, hasn't been out of the box. So, and it's your basic low, medium, high oscillating fan, nothing special. Alright, so I'm sure you can probably guess what this is. Brand new blade right there. So that's pretty cool. But really the eye catcher is the fully metal brand new shielding. And that encases the logo and the instructions. Look at that. Fans actually came with instructions at one point in time. Oh dude, that's cool. The imprint of the cage is on the instruction manual, the limited warranty. So that's pretty cool. I'm sure you have a general idea of how to perform things on a fan. But to be honest, I'm probably gonna have to read this. Alright, and then, so this is a little wrapper for the housing. I actually never knew that these had to be put together. Yeah, you always just see these at thrift stores and whatnot. You never actually see, a brand new one and actually have to put it together. We're now going to put the metal shrouding on, and okay, so this just kind of sits there like that. The instruction says this is going to go like so, So screw that in. I think I'm doing that right. I hope. Alright, and then pretty self-explanatory, the blade goes next. So it has a little concaves on the blade assembly that you have to match up with the little metal T-pole thing on the shaft. So just kind of like that. Look at that, fresh. So, and then you just take the little plastic knob and screw it in. I'm sure anyone who messes around with fans or whatever has a general idea that it should be counterclockwise instead of clockwise. Duh. No. But was gonna say, should be, you would take this out to change, to clean the blade or whatever you're doing with the blade. So, now the weird part is these little plastic tabs. I don't really know what these are for. I don't think I've seen that. So it looks like, according to this, that's the other language. Clips. Okay, so I guess they're just clips that holds the grill on, which most fans I've ever seen kind of have their own clips on the grill itself, like metal clips. And I see one like placeholder clip here, but I don't know, it's weird. So, alright, well, so that's all that holds the grill on, excluding this little star clip mechanism. So I will undo that, and it just says to go around evenly. So my math skills aren't great, so I'm just gonna have to go off of whatever it looks like. And right there is a complete assembled desk fan. So I'll unwrap the wrapper, or the cord that's never been unwrapped yet, and we'll plug her in. Alright, moment of truth. After years of sitting in a box, does it still work? It does. However, not really as fast as I thought it would be. But I don't think these things were ever, touted to be the world's best fan or anything. But oh well, it's brand new. But there it is, the Galaxy by Lasko 12-inch desk fan, brand new in the box. Opening it up, ready to serve 30-40 years worth of service. And that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this cool retro throwback Kmart special fan, and hopefully the fans of the fans enjoyed it. Can't say I'm a giant fan of a fan, but they keep me cool, so I dig that. Anyways, so feel free to subscribe, or if you're already subscribed, hopefully you like the new change of content. If you want to rather see me bash that fan, then I'm afraid, that's not going to happen. I kind of want to change things up. So, if you dig this new atmosphere, the new layout, or call it more of a review channel, head over to VE Westlife or UXW Bill, or one of those, or Tech Mode kinda videos. They kind of have a general, kind of what I'm going for is what they're doing. Also check out Jordan Talk, Speaker Freak 95. He is by far one of the best YouTubers I've dealt with. Anyways, I'm out. Peace out.